Welcome. Today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now when we swipe to the right with our finger, we can see that the Google Discover is turned on. And if you want to turn off this feature, you should hold for a while your device screen and then tap here to Home Settings. After that, you'll see here the Show Google Apps Watcher. Just click here once to turn it off, and now when we'll swipe again with our finger, we can see that the Google Discover is turned off. If you wanna just turn on back this feature, just go to the Home Settings, click here again on the switcher near the Show Google app, and now we can see that the Google Discover is activated successfully again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.